There are new signs that life could have once existed on Mars. Today, NASA scientists announced that the Mars Curiosity rover has found organic matter in 3-billion-year-old mudstone on the red planet. The rover also found methane in the Martian atmosphere, a simple organic molecule. Scientists say the search for life on other planets centers on discovering organic elements just like these. The findings were published in 2 articles in the journal Science Today. Chris Webster is a senior research fellow with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory just up the road from us here in Hollywood. He's a co-author of one of those very articles published today, joining me via Skype. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so I think it's really important for you to explain to regular schmoes like us the significance of this discovery.
Well, first of all, regarding the methane in the atmosphere, we know on Earth that all the methane, or 95% of the methane in the atmosphere, comes from biology. It comes from termites, from cows, from sheep, from wetlands and marshes. So when we see methane in the atmosphere of Mars, we're immediately excited about the potential that it could be biologically created. And even more so because we know it doesn't really last in the atmosphere very long compared to the 3 billion years that you mentioned. And so we know it has to be created, it's being created today in some shape or form or released. So that's a very exciting discovery that's been made over the last 2 years.
Is it significant where these discoveries were made on Mars?
It can be, of course. Now, we're lucky we're in Gale Crater and we have access to these mudstones, if you like, these very ancient mudstones. It's significant. The discovery of organics is significant because we just drilled only a few centimeters below the surface, and lo and behold, we discover organic molecules. So for them to survive 3 billion years in these mudstones, at only 5 centimeters below the surface, one can only imagine what we might find deeper in the surface when we return to the planet with that capability. So it's a very exciting discovery, both the methane in the atmosphere, and in particular, we see a seasonal cycle to the methane. It comes and goes in a predictable way. And this is what gives us leverage on it to understand what's going on in the future. So that's what's really new here with the methane and the organics. It's a very exciting, they're both exciting steps in the search for life on the red planet.
You feel hopeful in your gut that there could be life on Mars?
Absolutely. In our solar system, certainly, and in Mars, there are many opportunities in the subsurface where you're shielded from the radiation. Absolutely. We're scientists, and there's nothing we've discovered today where we cannot rule out the existence of organic material.
Well, this is an exciting development, to be sure. Chris Webster joining us from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in beautiful Pasadena, California. Thank you so much for your time and sharing the excitement today.
Thank you, Michaela.